everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Today is kit day and we will be revealing the newest Softlex company design kit, All That Glitters. And I have the matching bead strand in glitters with the gold. They did have one in gold and silver for this kit, and I purchased the gold one. It's just so beautiful, a perfect wintry tone. You have some acrylic beads in there and then your Jesse James beads crystals and rhinestone beads. So I just thought it was a really pretty strand. Look how cute the little package is. It's perfect to give as a gift. New kits are available the last Wednesday of the month, unless there's like a holiday, then it might be the week before or a couple days after. So in this kit, we have our Softlex wire, some findings. We have a Jesse James custom bead mix, a Bedoria custom bead mix. They always have such great items in their kits. And then we do have some exclusive items. So this is only available in the kit. And if this kit is still available, I will leave a link down below in the description, as well as for the bead strands in both silver and gold. So you have a lot of exclusive one. The bottle with glitter and stars seems super exciting. So let's open this up and see what's inside. And before we do that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. A lot of fun goodies in this kit. And there's some Polaraki beads. Those are always super fun. They had some in the Dia de los Muertos TGBE kit. So this is our exclusive bead mix from Bedoria. So beautiful. I love how this kit is just really sparkly, but it mixes your metals between gold and silver. We have 20 of the 2x2s in gold. We have our little specialty findings, a gold-plated star connector, an adjustable ring, and then some more check glass, and your Polaraki beads, and some bugle beads. That's a really pretty color. It's a perfect gold. Bottle with glitter and stars, and this might be like the challenge item for this design kit. Sometimes Softlex will add in an item that you might not see in jewelry or just kind of a little item to think outside the box. So I'm excited to see what everybody creates with those. And then our Softlex wire. This is the exclusive Jesse James bead mix and all that glitters. Open that up in just a moment. A lot of sparkling beads. These little filigree components are adorable. And then we have a quartz crystal bead. That's gorgeous. That'd be pretty for a necklace or even with the bugle beads. Or maybe take some Softlex craft wire, maybe do like a little wire wrap around it. So pretty. That's what I also love about the Softlex kits is you just start designing with them right away as soon as you unbox them. You have two of these beautiful Polaraki beads, and they're like little swirl AB. They kind of look like little snowflakes. So pretty in color. They give us some head pins. We separate those. And then we have our ear findings in gold. And then we have this little clasp here, and they do have some extras listed on the website on softlexcompany.com. So I'll leave a link down below for that. I think this is just super cute little dainty clasp, perfect for a necklace or bracelet. And then these are your check glass metallic gold fire polish. Those really sparkle. And you have your little adjustable ring. How cute is that? Your little ring base. Then you can just add your head pins with a little bead or a couple beads, and then just have like your little tassels from your ring. You have a lobster claw, and these are adorable. These are exclusive to the kit. They are gold-plated star connectors. We have Midoriya's mix. We have two little silver hearts. And then a bunch of silver and gold and crystal AB beads. So super pretty, full of sparkle. So this is just going to match perfectly with that Jesse James bead strand. Let's move those out of the way. And then we will see what's inside the Jesse James bead mix. So you really have a lot of sparkle in this bead mix. From the Bedoria bead mix to the Jesse James beads. I love this little flower component, this little floral flower filigree. It's kind of a tongue twister, but you can use this as a connection point, either for a bracelet or if you wanted to like a little chandelier component. And they have these little beads, they're like a little opalite bead. They had these, I believe, in the Gone Batty kit. And these always make cute little drops for an earring or even maybe for the little ring connector. You have some crystal pave beads. Just look at the sparkle, even with the hearts. Already designing. These are neat. You have the big circle components and they're bead frames. You can put a bead in the center. And you don't have to fill up the whole circle or the interior of this bead frame. You could let your soft flex wire show. So there's another cute design option. And then you have some jumbo bicones. It's like they're 8 or 9 millimeter. Some crystal beads, top drilled crystal bead. That would be cute for the little tassel. So you do get a lot of beads in the bead mix, and both of these bead mixes, if there's any extra, usually there's just a few left over on kit day, they will be available on softflexcompany.com. So if you just love this kit and you want an extra bead mix, they're available on their website. These are cute, these little barrel beads, but everything is just so full of sparkle. We have some little beads. Everything just matches so well together, and that's what's great about these design kits is there's just so many different possibilities and combinations of patterns that you can make. So you really do get a lot in here. Some more little rhinestone beads and some bead caps. These are cute. They're a little filigree component, but then they have a gold rondel with some crystal spacers. Put out all of the bead mix from Jesse James Beads. So you do see you do get a lot in this bead mix, and I believe they're 11.99 on the website, but they're just going to pair so well. I think with all the sparkly beads, an illusion style necklace would look gorgeous. Just having that soft flex wire show and just a little bit of the sparkle, but a super fun design kit. I'm excited to see what everyone is going to create with. And I will also leave a link down below in the description for the tutorial playlist using this All That Glitters design kit from Softflix Company. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for the playlist of all other Softflex Company design kits. Have an awesome day.